Hi everybody, it's Melissa again, and I just got my other delivery here to unbox. It's Pouring Masters Ready to Pour Essential Acrylic Paint Pouring Accessory Kit. So, like I said in the last video, I have no experience with painting or art. So my husband ordered me a couple of kits to learn the acrylic paint pouring. And let's see what we have in this box. I'm really excited to see if I got some new toys to try. So in this one, again, we got the paint pouring cups with the ounces on the side. There we go. Put the ounces on the side if you need them. We got, oh, these are stands to put underneath the gallery canvases to keep your canvas off of the surface so the paint can drip off the edges properly. So we got a set of, it looks like 8 stands. We got droppers. It looks like about 10 eyedroppers. I'm sure that's for the tints and the silicone and possibly the resin. I'm not sure about the resin. Somebody will let me know, I'm sure. We got more stirring sticks for the paint and these little tiny cups for mixing small batches if you're not doing a pour. And you're just doing little dollops, I suppose. Oh, then we got a set of 5-piece plastic pellet knife set. So there's every shape of pellet knife in there. Let's see what else we have. Oh, okay. We also got, there we go. We've got the flow trawl, makes the paint flow easier. So we got our flow trawl. Oh, they put a color wheel in here, which is great for someone like me who has never painted or have art experience. Now I know what colors will go with each other best. Then I have gloss pouring medium and a bottle of the silicone drops, which are important to make the cells, which I absolutely love. I can't wait to do that. So let's see, and then we have this. Last thing in the box is a paint pouring guide. Now it's probably backwards to you, but it tells how to mix the paints with one another. So I will be excited to sit down now that I've done both of my unboxings, sit down and try to create something and see how it goes. Cross your fingers. I'll be back if it's something I create great. Thank you.